Welcome to Surprise, Arizona. We have our very close friends that moved here. If you have followed me for a while, you know that Connie was my partner in crime. We did so many things together and she was in so many of my videos. And now she lives in Arizona, and so we have been here for the last 4 or 5 days visiting. But today, the girls are going to do their thing, all of the girls, and the guys are meeting up with a couple of other guys, and they're going to go do their thing. So I'm going to take you along and let you see a little bit. We're not going with the guys, clearly, but you'll get to see here in a few minutes what the guys are going to do. And I'm going to take you with Connie and myself and Bubbles on the girls' adventure. So I'm looking forward to that. It's really nice here right now. So if you are wondering, how's the weather in Arizona? It is really pleasant. It's probably about 72, I'm going to guess, maybe 75 here right now. And it is only 9:30 in the morning, but it's very pleasant. And we already had several hot air balloons go overhead. They cross over her house every single day. And we see them in the morning, we see them in the afternoon, giving people rides. So that's kind of fun to see. And we also hear the fighter jets going overhead and doing all of the things. I thought that was one right there. You can hear them. Sometimes you hear one, and sometimes you hear 5 or 6. Okay, so the guys are going to be rolling in here in a few minutes. So let's go out and you can see what they're up to today. See what they've got going on inside these boxes. What kind of supplies do they take with them? What?
Longer distance than you guys.
Yeah. This tank only holds like 120 miles if you're this time. It's like we're going to Wickenburg and then we're going to go over to Lake Pleasant area.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where we're going.
No, I like it.
This is a Harley adventure bike.
It is. I met with them in 21. And it's the fastest Harley made. It smokes all the big ones. And it's very comfortable.
Niles,
Who's this?
what's your favorite place to ride so far?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. Why Arkansas?
Because I was in the Ozarks.
Oh, okay.
Because Missouri has their Ozarks up here.
Yes.
And then Arkansas has Ozarks down here too. And I did a road called the Pig Trail, which is a really famous road because it's like this.
Oh, fun.
I'm just gonna hang back and watch him do wheelies. That's what I do. Yeah, where'd Nell go? I don't know, but he's on one wheel. So anyway.
Yeah, you're not going. Time for the ladies to head out to Lake Pleasant. First stop, show your pass, which Connie purchased when they moved here. It was $85 for the whole year, and that gets her into the local parks with that pass. Well, that sign, it's to warn you, there are the local welcoming committee standing in the road, ready to say hello. This guy cracked us up. He was very friendly.
Come here.
Oh, funny.
Hi. Oh, you're very sweet. Oh, hello. Hello.
You want to give him a cookie?
Yeah.
Give him the
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yum, yum. It's hot. Oh.
He says, tastes like a dog biscuit.
It's a dog biscuit. Okay, I'm gonna go now because you're getting flies in the car. Back up. Bye-bye. Okay, that's all I have.
This is called the drive-through, isn't it?
Now what do we do?
Okay, bye. He's still
sweetie.
chewing.
I don't have any more, honey. I'm sorry. Okay, bye-bye, honey. Okay, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move now.
He's flicking his. Oh, he sees the dog.
I can move now. Okay, bye-bye, honey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's right here. Oh.
He's like, hey, I heard somebody had some cookies in this car. Yeah. Welcome to Lake Pleasant, which includes the regional park, Scorpion Bay, where we are going to have lunch, the Maricopa Trail, and the Paqua Park, which is a water park. There's the Pipeline Canyon Trail, the Desert Outdoor Center, the Wild Burro day use area, and the Black Canyon Trail. Don't forget the Old China Dam. Plenty to do here. Right now, we're going to be taking the funicular down this very steep hill. Well, there are steps, but we're going to ride. Don't worry, it moves very slowly. I'm actually showing you this one coming back up to the top at like triple speed. So don't be afraid. It moves as slowly going down the hill as it did coming up. This is a really great way for people who keep their boats in the marina to be able to get all of their coolers and all their supplies for the day as they are going to be going out on the boat. When you first get in, you have to open that door up. It's a double door. It's kind of heavy, and then you do not want to open that door again until you get to the bottom. As an emergency precaution, the whole rig will stop if the door opens. So don't open the door until you get to your destination. Our destination down in Scorpion Bay. And because we have Bubbles with us today, you know, one of the girls, we had to walk around to the backside where the boats come right up to the dock, and that's where we will be sitting to have our lunch. Enjoy the ride, and when we get there, I'll take you on the back deck and let you see what we ordered. The Scorpion Bay Grill has a really nice menu, pretty diverse. We settled on fish and chips. I don't know, it was just easy to eat. And we did not have a cocktail, but I thought their cocktail menu was really pretty good, very reasonably priced. And we thought, the next time, maybe if we're not going to be driving, then we might have a cocktail, a margarita or something. Anyway, nice menu. We wound up splitting an order of fish and chips so you can see how large one order is, more than enough for the both of us. We popped in the little general store on our way out. It's mainly just extra things you might have forgotten, quick little pickups for your day out on the lake. Lake Pleasant is about an hour north of Phoenix and a little east of Wickenburg. So the next time you find yourself in Arizona, check it out. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.